Do your Google Messages notification arrive but never pop up on the screen? Most of the time, nothing is broken. There's one main setting that controls whether pop-ups work or not. Let's fix it. To do so, open Google Messages. Tap your profile icon in the top right. Then tap Messages setting. Tap Notification. Make sure Allow Notification is on. Then check sound and vibration. This is the master switch. If sound and vibration is off, notification pop-up will not appear. Pop-up style option disappear and messages arrive silently. When you have turned on sound and vibration, make sure to enable notification pop-up. Tap notification pop-up style. Then choose brief pop-up for minimal alert or detail pop-up to see more message content. Finally, tap show or hide content when locked. Then choose always if you want previews or hide when locked for privacy. As the example, if messages arrive but never pop up on your screen, turning sound and vibration back on and enable notification pop-up usually fix everything instantly. Google Messages pop-up depend on one thing first, sound and vibration. Once that's on, pop-ups, preview, and style all work as expected. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.